Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome to this vlog. So this vlog is going to be very special because this time I'm going to meet my family and I am traveling. So this is what everything looks like. I got ready and then went to the airport. I have lost some clips in between. So after this I'm going to show you directly how my parents' house looks like. So my parents actually stay in Patna, Bihar. My dad is posted there right now for 2 years, and my brother, my bhaiya and bhabhi, they stay in Calcutta. So the plan is to stay few days in with my parents, and then we'll be leaving for Calcutta and have a little reunion, have a little family time. So as I said that my dad works in an engineering college, and this is a government guest house, and this is the terrace where I just love the vibe there because I can watch all the plants and everything. And also my mom is a major fan of plantation and gardening, and I just got to experience the organic veggies, the fruits that she has planted in her a huge backyard and garden, and the view of these things were just so good to my eyes and just felt so natural and very close to the nature. And my mom gets very excited if she has to show anyone her garden and what she has done with it. So this is what it looks like, and I just loved seeing the sunsets from the terrace, and this is what it looks like. She has planted so many flowers, so many plants. So and we usually take our evening walks over here, have our evening tea, sham ki chai saath mein. And this is my mom showing me her garden and what new flowers she has planted. As you can see, such beautiful new baby roses and different type of flowers. So yes, this is what the evening naturally looks like when I visit my parents. And my dad has to stay one more year over there uh, before he goes for retirement. And this is actually the plant is a lemon tree, and it gives such a nice aroma, very fresh, very citrus. And this is the sunset view from my parents house terrace. And now this is we are leaving for Calcutta. We were leaving, and it was an overnight journey. Then we reached Calcutta. This is the Howrah railway station, and yes, we are on our way. So my dad had some important meeting, so he decided to join us in Calcutta a day later. But me and my mom were reaching Calcutta, and also my, as I said, my bhaiya and bhabhi were already there. So this is on our way to the guest house because we decided that we all are going to stay in a guest house because it was closer to the places we had to visit, because we had some medical stuff and urgent stuff we had to take care of. Once we reached the guest house, we ordered this ginger tea because me and my mom just love ginger tea. And this is us just enjoying our tea together after so many months. I just love chatting and gossiping with my mom because we can talk about anything, what's going on in her life, what's going on in my life. So we have recently, I think in the past few years, we have so much in common, I have realized, and we can talk so much about things. I think we have become more like best friends and less like mother and daughter. So I'm loving that transition and that phase of my life. And this is our breakfast. And also, she just loves clicking pictures and recording videos of things, just like me. And this is my brother, and we just were having a quick photo session because we were just loving the background here. And the plan was to just go out, explore a few shops, and get the appointment for the doctor. And then we headed to a mall nearby to do some shopping and have some cute and very light breakfast or brunch type of thing. So this is me, my brother, and my bhabhi. We went to to a coffee place and then had the best tiramisu here. My brother became a fan of this, and me too. This is the next day. We came to this very cute place to celebrate my parents' anniversary, and as the time is passing by, I have just realized that how precious your family time and spending time with your loved ones is, because as you grow older you realize how precious these moments are and how you're going to miss them as you grow older and as time passes. So I just really loved these moments, because after a very long time, five of us were together. This moment right here just feels so good. While I am editing this vlog, I just am looking at the footage and just it just brings a smile to my face, and I really miss my family right now because I am back in Hyderabad. But yes, these were the sweetest moments from the trip. And I was in love with the skirt that you're seeing, and this is a little outfit check. And after this, I wanted to have and go on a sunset boat ride, so we decided to go to Princip Ghat to have that. And this is what it looks like. And also this is a pretty historical place, and my brother and my father, they just love history, so wherever we go, we have our personal guide to ourselves, because he just gives you all the information regarding its history, why it was, and everything. And I think my mom is the least interested one here. So after this, we decided to go check out what are the timings and what is the whole deal with the boat thing. So after the sun became a bit softer, we went for the sunset ride, and this is how it looks like. Ooh, so after that beautiful, beautiful boat ride, it was time to have the famous Kulhar chai in Calcutta. So we had that, and after that, it was time to go home. And then we booked a cab. We went back to our guest house.
आपके पास कोई भी रेड में है तो आपको वो डालना है या आप थीम का कोई और कलर डाल सकते हैं जैसे कि येलो
So
जैसे
we played Uno for a bit, then we had our dinner, and then we decided to have a family night stroll. And then we were just observing the mangoes again and what kind they were and the different variety that are available. And I was just very, really very intrigued by this one because this just looks straight out of a book, and it felt to me very plastic, but guys, this was real. So this is the next day. My family had already left half an hour ago, and my flight was delayed. So I was waiting in the guest house itself, and the weather was just so beautiful, and it just turned very rainy type of weather. And in the meanwhile, I ordered some things from Calcutta Cravings because I was craving their chicken roll, and I also tried to order some things because back in Hyderabad, my friends were waiting for them, so I couldn't wait any longer. So I opened my chicken roll and I started having it. And this is the packing situations. I had to leave in the next half an hour. So I tried finishing up the chicken roll again, and then it was time to go to the airport. And this is just me trying to enjoy the Calcutta flavor. And now it's time to leave, and my cab is here. The weather turned so pretty, and then I reached the airport. Then I realized that I did not buy baked rasgulla for my friends, and they just gave me a list of things to buy, and this was the top priority thing. So I bought baked rasgulla. Then again I was started having a chicken roll, and I started watching the film Into the Wild again, though I have watched this several times before, but I think this just felt good. And then all of a sudden I saw that it started raining very, very heavily, and there were thunderstorms all around, and I just panicked because I thought that my flight is going to get cancelled, and it was going to be a blunder because I was seeing that everything was getting delayed or cancelled. And if my flight gets cancelled, I just couldn't operate because I had a very important meeting the next day in my office, and I had to be in office the other day. So after a wait of 2 hours, we were finally on the flight. So my flight was supposed to take off at 8:30 p.m., but this was 10:30 p.m. We were in the flight, and it started raining again and again, and it was 11:30. We were just sitting in the flight for 1.5 hours, and it was just so traumatic. And then it was just a waiting game, and then we received this little kit, and this was a sign that there's going to be further delay. So Yes, this was the little game that I had to play just to pass the time. And I was feeling very lucky that I got the whole three seats to myself, but at what cost? So I did not have anything to do. I tried playing this game and just containing that positive side to me. And this is what I got in the inconvenience box from Indigo. This was a spicy mix, but it was actually very good. And this cookie was really very tasty. So again, it was just a waiting game. We were told at 1 a.m. at night that there's going to be another pilot who is going to come. And then we had to again wait. So finally, at 2 a.m., we got the announcement that we are going to fly, and I was already very, very sleepy. But finally, at 2:30 a.m., my flight took off. I reached home and this was so good, but between the flight, because it was delayed so much and because of all the inconvenience, everything was free for us. Like we can order anything. But I was like, I'll just have coffee because I wanted to stay awake. So yes, this is me watching the movie, having the coffee, and just trying to pass my time. And just I wanted my bed so badly. I wanted to use my washroom, my comforter, my bed, everything. So it was just I was just counting every minute till the time I land. But yeah, so this is it. This is how it all looked like. And I think this is the time we are going to descend. And we reached Hyderabad at 4:30 a.m. And this is the next morning. I am having some granola, some oats, and lots of fruits. This is what my breakfast looked like. And yes, that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching.